I'm done with it. It's time for me to teach you something new. I'm going to teach you how to never, ever have to wrestle with an extension cord that's all wadded up again with what I'm going to show you. It's quick. It's easy to maintain them. You can stack them up. It's awesome. You take a bucket of any size with the cord that you want to use. If you got a 50-footer or 100-footer, you want to use a larger bucket. 50-footer, smaller bucket. 25-footer, smaller bucket. They're stackable. This is awesome. You take a 1.5-inch drill bit and you drill it in the bottom of the bucket, and then you feed it through the inside, and you leave about 1.5 feet hanging out of it. From that point on, you can just shove it in there. You don't have to have any type of special anything. Just shove it in. Now, if you start trying to wind it up inside of it, that's when I have noticed that it will kink. Once you shove it in there, you got two options. You can either drill a hole in the top and bring the metal side of this out and just leave this snapped in. But you know what I do? I just basically pop the top on it, right the length of the cord and the gauge of it, and I'm done. You then take your bucket wherever you need it, set it on the ground, plug in your instrument, and you pull it as far as you need to until you're ready to use it. See, it just comes right on out. Let's go. I hope you have a spectacular week, and God bless you.